Sit.
Girl. Good girl.
Lay back. Make her lay back. Oh. Good job.
Good job, sweetheart.
I was nervous about that one.
I love your hair.
Yay!
Did you see that?
I saw her hit your arm.
It goes like this, and it goes, boop. And so she goes like this to me, because she thinks I hit her.
Not very nice of you.
I know. I love you, sweet.
Oh. Fresh wood chips.
Wanna go again?